Good afternoon to you all. Today I am going to discuss about the second law. Here we can see our second law is given as law of constant proportion. So this law was established by Joseph Proust. Okay, now let us see at the statement. Here we can see that in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportion by mass. So let us try to understand this statement by taking an example. It is better to take an example to understand statement. Okay, here we can see our example is given as H2O. What do you mean by H2O? The meaning of H2O is water molecule. Okay, so we can clearly see that H2 means two atoms of hydrogen are present and O means one atom of oxygen are present. That means this particular molecule is made up of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Okay, so now let us divide this ratio. Now we have to find the mass. So let us divide the ratio. Here we can see two atom of hydrogen means 2 into H and one atom of oxygen means 1 into O. And we know the mass of hydrogen is 1 and the mass of oxygen is 16. So if you go on multiplication, 2 into 1, 1 into 16, you will get 2 by 16. If you divide this ratio, you will get 1 is to 8. So the mass of H2O is 1 is to 8. Here we can clearly say that the mass of H2O is 1 is to 8. Now suppose if you take a glass of water. This glass of water is a substance and this substance is made up of H2O. So here the statement is telling us that the mass of that particular H2O will be fixed, whatever the source may be. If you take this glass of water from drainage, or if you take this glass of water from lake, if you take that glass of water from ocean, no matters. The mass of that H2O will be fixed. And after doing calculation here, we can see that the mass of that particular H2O is 1 is to 8. That means in a glass of water, there will be millions of H2O. But if you take a particular H2O from that glass of water, you will find that the mass of H2O is 1 is to 8. If you take another H2O from that particular glass of water, you will see again that the mass of that particular H2O is 1 is to 8. That means if you take thousands and thousands of H2O, you will find that the mass of that particular H2O is 1 is to 8. That means there is no change in mass. So according to this statement, there will be no change in mass. That means the mass is fixed for a particular substance. The mass is fixed for a particular substance. So the law is verified. So this type of substance which has a fixed mass can be identified or can be proved under law of constant proportions. Thank you very much. If you like the video, then please subscribe it.